Oh. What's up? I'm Hype. I play games, make games, and I forgot to check my audio. Crap. Hold up. It looks like it's working. Today we are making and playing games in Hype. I just saw some multiplayer game happening. Tahoe had a game. Let's see if it's okay. Cool. It's okay. No, that's not working. And I also have a matching template that I made that I will hopefully make some more simple matching games. There is also the Hype Game Jam going on for this month. Hopefully everyone has been working on their game. I spent 2 hours trying to get a scoring mechanism to work yesterday, and I was able to get it to work, which is great. And then I realized I hadn't set this. I thought I had done this for other games, but it's just a simple. I'll show you what I'm working on. I'm just trying to get the concept or the mechanic plot down. You know, once you get the mechanic, then you can build everything up. And I can even move it around, but that's what I'm working on. Hopefully I can figure out the mechanic. I got the scoring system. I would love to make a multiplayer game, but yeah, I'm super intimidated by the multiplayer game. Here it's easy, and not easy, but it's not as difficult as I think. But yeah, so maybe I'll give it a shot this weekend. I'm back in America, and let's get this background music going. So it's Friday. We're gonna be playing games and making games. Here is Bunny Business by Tahoe. And let's get in it before it gets too crowded. There we are. Jump on bunnies. I'm in there like 6 times. Okay. Again, multiplayer is still new. And it looks like the jumping. Okay, so let's exit out, because this is clearly a little buggy. Oh, this is super loud. Check out some of the hypes. All right, I'm gonna try to jump into this one. And you know, I do realize sometimes how do I say it? I like to let people win. Not let them win, but like I try not to dominate. I like to think I'm really good at this, at a lot of multiplayer games. Whoa, did that dude just double jump? And so this game, super simple, multiplayer. and you just hop on everyone's head, and the first person to 5 wins. That person totally did not jump on my head. Oh no, come back here, yellow. He's fast. Dude is dominating. So it's cool to see multiplayer getting developed more and more each day. It's not perfect because, as you saw, I totally was on that dude's head. But let's take out this user D79. Going down D79. Yo. And that's the cool thing about multiplayer is the more you play it, the more it's like everybody gets the opportunity to win a couple rounds. I do think playing on the phone is easier than the tablet sometimes. Ah, this dude won. So we each won a round, which is always cool. And if you jump right before the person lands on your head, then it cancels out the getting stomped out. Let's take a, oh. Okay, so we got this dude as the winner. I'm gonna go ahead. Let's take a look and see how this game was made. Turn the logic on, zoom out. So if I were to make this game, where'd that camera go? Okay, so here's the camera. Let's look at the rotation. And is this the rotation X? Huh, okay. Cool. What's up, DJ Swag? Welcome to the stream. Just checking out this multiplayer game. I have not made any multiplayer games yet, but the great thing with HypeHype is if you don't know how to make the game, you can go in and see how it was made. Like that's the future. That's how it can be done. So there are multiplayer nodes. Here we go. So here's one. This is multiplayer info, and this looks like it has a sound activation, a compare node. So notice this plus sign by the compare node. I have figured out what that does. It basically adds 1 to the compare node. Snipe Viper in the house. What's up, dude? Just checking out Tahoe's Bunny multiplayer game. And yeah. Have you made any multiplayer games yet, Snipe Viper? You seem super knowledgeable. Although I would say your specialty is getting a high score. But I'm in the top 10. Don't count me out. Okay, so we got this is a multiplayer node. And I just like to see, here's another. Okay, so both of these are multiplayer info. And this use some kind of calculated value. So on player left, so maybe do each of these pipes. Okay, so there's 4 pipes. Then they each have a switch node. And yeah, okay. I think this is the bunny. What I don't see is the actual bunny. So is the bunny in here? No. There's the bunny. And then we got the different colors, it looks like. Oh, I should also open up the Discord. Not sure, or not yet. I'm working on something else at the moment. Oh, for the Hype Hype July Game Jam. What's up, Dr. Darwit K? Is this something like BuildBox? So, yeah, kind of. It's a no code app that allows anybody to make games on the phone, tablet, or desktop browser. BuildBox is what I used to use for many years to make games, and I've used Unity and Solo 2D, which used to be called Corona SDK, but that was like before the pandemic. So, I shouldn't, I can't. Now, I think that's bad if I say that in the YouTube algorithms, but whatever. It's not like this video is even monetized. Yeah, so this is just an app that lets anybody make and play games, and it's super cool. It's in early development, but oh man, the things you can do in early development are legit, and they just launched multiplayer. Well, they launched multiplayer, I want to say like a month or two ago, and the great thing with Hype Hype, which is one of the reasons I enjoy it so much, is because I've used multiple different game engines. They are all about working and communicating with the users, updates, progress, great documentation. But yes, so yeah, it's just another game, a tool to make games, but it's also an app. Yeah, speaking of high scores, did you give it a try, Wednesday Cheese? The Wednesday one, you know what? Let's do that now. I did the other one, which was cool. And I honestly tried for like, I want to say like, I don't want to say more than 20 minutes, but it was probably, I was trying to get 68 points. And every time I was really close. I do think it's easier with the cheese, but let's check it out. So, Snide Viper, oh, that's my audiobooks. This is a book, The Art of Learning. If you've ever seen the movie Searching for Bobby Fischer, this book is written by the kid, not the actual kid, not the kid who plays the kid, but the kid. He was like a chess champion. You know, it's teaches you how to learn, or the mindset behind it, which is super instrumental when making games. You got to know how to learn, because game development is tough. Like I said, I spent 3 hours trying to get the score system to work, and I was able to get it, but it's often frustrating because when you try to make a game, you just want everything to work perfectly. And I can make games similar to what I've made before and have no problem doing it. That is not what I want. I want to be able to do a bunch of stuff. And along with making games, I like to play games because I'm a mobile gamer. Where? Okay, Snide Viper. Let's see. I think maybe was it in the Hype Hype? Oh, we got King. No. Which message board was it? Feedback? No, it wasn't feedback. I was reading it the other day. I think 68 points is totally doable, but I at some point I was spending too much time, and I had to take a break. I got the 67, and then I spent like a good 15 minutes. But it's you got to be quick. I mean, you know, you like the 67 points isn't easy, and it's certain coins you have to miss to be able to get the other coins. Seems like Hype Hype is restricted in certain countries. So that is a great point. Hype Hype is only out in 2 countries openly, but you can beta test it easy by going to hypehype.com. Click on the left hamburger menu. 1 second, SoulSpark. We will get to what we were talking about in order. I'm just watching the Marvel movies. I just want to help Dawit get this info, because yeah, the more eventually Hype Hype will be open to the public and then you'll just be able to go to the App Store and download it. But because it's being kind of like beta tested, you go here, you hit the hamburger hit menu, you go to download the app, you input the information, and then they will send you an email and you'll get a link within 24 to 48 hours. Then you can download the app, and yeah, so it's just being tested. So it's in its early access, and like I mentioned, they are making huge improvements when multiplayer is happening, like right now. I like to really try this app when it's publicly open. You know what, let me give you a link right now, hypehype.com/get access. See. You can try it now. If you have used Buildbox, this when it comes to making games is a no-code visual scripting type of solution, and it's legit. I recommend this. I do not recommend the other software only because of multiple things. I have a hour-long rant of why I no longer like to use that game engine. But honestly, I think it doesn't matter what anybody uses to make games as long as you're making games. Like I'm a gamer. I like making games, and I like playing games. So as long as you make games, whatever you use is cool and good for you, because making games is not easy. It's work. Was it leaderboard? Yeah, it was leaderboard. Okay, and this is Canyon Race. Okay, so Snipe Viper is known throughout HypeHype as leaderboard #1. We should come up with some kind of cool title. Yeah. So, but Snipe is on the top, and he is really good at being on the top of probably the most leaderboards. I would love to know the data on how many leaderboards you're on #1, but I guess there's also a bunch of games that are just like maybe only have a couple. Anyways, Snipe Viper is good at finding cheese, hacks, loopholes in multiple games to get the high score, and which I also think is a good thing, because Snipe Viper has done this in a few of my games where he found like a little hack to get the high score. He shared it with me, and I was able to go back into the game and edit it and make it so he couldn't do that. And yeah, that's also another great thing with HypeHype. I apologize. I am a HypeHype fan. I just think it's the future of games, specifically mobile games, in a community of people who just want to make and play games. And yeah, okay. Canyon Race. Okay, so let's read it. So for today's cheese, I choose a very short hype, but it shows how a small optimization can give you the lead in a hype's leaderboard, and understanding why it works is a true lesson to physical rotation and collisions in HypeHype. This is cool. All objects in any game engine, whether Unity, Unreal, HypeHype, Roblox, Mario Maker, all objects. Oh, thanks, Muchos. Appreciated for the sub. So all game engines have, or I'm sorry, all objects in whatever engine have an object, a collision type object. So in this game, Snipe is talking about the collision shape of, I believe it's the character. So the idea is to either turn left or right when you're near the end, and you'll save 1 frame, which is enough to tie with the first place. This works because as the car rotates in a diagonal position, even with the penalty in speed. It can trigger the collision slightly sooner due to the edge being slightly ahead. I wonder if I could read it on the screen. That's too, or maybe this one. Can trigger the collision sooner due to the edge being slightly ahead. And here we can see it, that this piece is a little bit higher than here, giving you that split second that you want to win. This wouldn't be possible if the car was a circle, because the ball, there wouldn't be any edges. Yes, this makes sense. And this is also one of the things, if anybody in HypeHype who works on the team, I wish there was a way to see the collision trigger for objects. I've seen how you can submit assets for HypeHype, and of course have to have collision trigger. And you know, maybe people don't need to see the collision, and I'm used to using or used to seeing collision because I have played or used multiple engines. But sometimes, yeah, you want to know where the collision is. So let's Canyon Race. Let me make sure I get the right one. And cool thing, you can also use HypeHype on the mobile web. We will be using the app today. I just want to make sure it's not a remix. Okay, so this is the original. So notice mobile web, also on any desktop browser. And wait, that can't. Okay, so they are different. HypeHype Alter Jam 1. Is this not HypeHype? Okay, so we go here and let's look at the hypes. These are all the playlists. Oh, here it is. Okay, I think I'm not even on this. Oh, I am. Okay. Let's see what the score. So Snipe Viper's got 3, 6, 6, 7. Oh man, I don't know if I can do that. Okay, hold on. Let's I don't want to knock over my coffee, and I got my green tea. I do think playing games on the phone is easier. Let's give it a go. Okay. So we're just waiting for the last second, and then we're going to turn. That's close. Ah! 667 in the house. I also kind of wish I should write these down so I can like submit them in the feedback. I wish you could scroll here, but I guess you could just select this. Okay, look at this. Look at all these people who got the super high score. That's dope. Now let's take a look. Yeah, Darwin, check out HypeHype, man. I have a bunch of other videos and tutorials. I am releasing one on Monday. I just finished the video today, and yeah, I'm very happy with it. I enjoy editing videos and making games and editing videos. That's what we do on this channel. So happy to have you as a sub. Let's yo, nice. I'm doing these cheese events every now and then to get people to understand how tricks and cheese are found, especially but not exclusive for the creators, so they can fix holes in their hypes even before posting them. I like it if more people would join. Yes, no, I think that's a great idea, and the thesis behind what you're saying, I think holds true, because when it comes to certain cheese items, this is generally on the developer of or the creator of the game. And it's one thing if you want these cheats to be there, which is also super cool. It's almost like a hidden egg. And then if they don't know about it, which is one of the great things I like about HypeHype, is you can just check out the comments by people who can give insights into your game. And yeah, finding these cheats and help other people understand what's going on. Like your explanation in the Discord makes perfect sense. I don't, and I think it's good because if you have people who haven't been making games like me for a while, they may not know about these collisions and how the collisions are set up, which, you know, I don't think you need to know when you're beginning to make games, but it's something you definitely want to know when you know how to make games. And you know, making games is like creating a world, creating a series of things, events, and you basically dictate how things are supposed to be. And if things don't work out the way you want, you can change it. Oh man, that dude flew off. Okay, so here we got a multiplayer game. Let's get up in this one. And this camera is off, which I'll just have to make it work. Looks like. Oh man, this is going to be difficult because it's not supposed to be sideways. I'd be curious to see if when this resets, come on. Got it. And yes, now I think if you continuously have these cheese events, then it will become a, let's say, weekly thing, and so people would know about it. I participated in the last one. I just didn't post it because my name is on there at 67, so I don't like. And you know, when it comes to those cheese events, or like the last one with the sheep, it takes time. It's not. Oh crap! It takes time to complete. Did you try the rocket cheese event? Let me take a look. Oh, that I think I did try it. I wasn't able to. I'm pretty sure it's the one where it's like in like 0.3 seconds to make it in. I remember spending at least a good amount of time on it. I just wasn't able to get the high score. I really love this game. I think I might try, like, this to me just kind of makes me think of pinball. Ah, this dude made it. But let me check out the other cheese event you're talking about. I remember giving it a go. I just also remember not succeeding and then getting frustrated and closing the app and doing something else. which is to be expected. Yeah, so Easy Lander. Let's read the whole thing. Nice, managed to record the strat I found instead. Oh wait, I can read it here. This way, okay. Instead of starting thrusting on the ground, start thrusting as much top left as you can. The ship has to be leaning sideways by a lot for it to work. I think this new strat can save more than 0.15 seconds. Sub 5 looks possible after all. This multiplayer, yo nailed it with the mini golf. Multiplayer mini golf? Multiplayer, yeah. It basically goes like this: hold left, hold right, release. Oh man, that kind of makes me think of cheat codes from back in the day. Okay, so this game is called Easy Lander. Let's watch the video again. Okay, I see what you did there. And you got, let's check it out. Easy Lander. Hopefully that is the name of the game. Yeah, so I think, so I did give this a try before, but to be honest, I actually didn't read what you wrote. I was just trying to get the high score myself, and it didn't work, so that's, it's not, it's the right, so, hold on, I'm gonna read it again, because I think I'm missing something. Okay, so I think yeah, I didn't thrust left though. So I think you mentioned thrusting left. Instead of thrusting on the ground, start thrusting as much top left as you can. Oh, I see. You do that just to get the tilt in. Ooh. No. Yeah, I think I'm missing this. So basically, hold left. Hold right. Oh, hold left and right. No. What if I did this? Oh! Wait, let me just get it for... Oh, dude, that... Okay, so there is, yeah, there's a button. I see it now. I didn't see it before, but there is a button mechanic that causes something. lost it. That's super close. I see what you were talking about though, for sure. Dang, Sny, you got 4.9. That could have been close. So, tapping. There we go. What's up with that timer? You saw that. I landed at 4 seconds, and it took 1.5 seconds. So for me, I find just tapping it like this and then get the direction point. That was funny. You want it to point. Okay, that did not. Four, 4.2 seconds. This. I need some coffee. I need some ice in my coffee. Make sure you're stable on the platform in that bounce it. Too short. I still don't see how you got such a fast time, man. So here's the video. So you get the angle. Yeah, no, you did it. That's okay. Oh, and so that's what you meant by hold left, like aim the rocket and then hold left. I like this game, and there's the other one that's like it too. Shoot. You have to rotate right without thrusting. How do you rotate right without thrusting? That I think would have been good. tilt it a little bit more. Come on. Too much distance. Came in too hot. How do you do the rotate without thrusting? Hold left, hold right, release left, don't release right. Oh, okay. Oh, I forgot to release. Too much of a thrust, but I think that's what we want. Alright, I'm gonna give it a couple more tries. I think I'm on it. Get it, 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 be cool. You ain't cool. Oh, you know what? Maybe if I just scooch. That was super close, I think. When does the timer begin, actually? I think there's a box outside of this. Let's take a look. I like to see everything. Okay, so I can get pretty close, and I lost it. It's too much of a thrust. Still good, I was going in too hot. You know, I do want to check out how that portal is done, because I do think it's cool. Let's turn the logic on. Okay. So this as a collision to detect probably this object, which is, I'm going to say a red one. Yep. And let me get some background music, because otherwise I can hear my thoughts. And I think I don't like this song. Okay. So we got the collision trigger, vector transform. And the vector transform happens. Enabled, and it moves the object. Here's where it moves the object, and where it moves the object is based on this. I've never seen a gray line with multiple arrows like this before, so that's super curious. Where is that coming from? Is there something inside this object? I've never seen this before. I like to know how everything works, even though I have difficulty creating it myself. So this probably, oh, you know what? I bet you it's over here. Yeah, so the portal out. Not visible, physical static. Vector transform. So for this object, if this object touches, how are these green lines? Is there another object in this object? Come on. It looks like it's in here. Sometimes you can go into... there it is. There's a cube in there. I called it. At least I think that's what that is. 2 fingers. an object in an object, but I can't select that object. Or did I? No. Way. Yeah, nope, don't do that. Oh wait, is it the value inspector? No. But the value inspector is getting the X, Y, and Z. Cool. All right, let's play some games. That was intense. Yeah, I like the music. See if we can't get on this game. Oh, and this is a team game. Yeah. I think we have to have 4 players. Now we got, okay, so I think it's teams. Orange versus green. Or maybe not. Oh, now we're just waiting for one more again. Again, this is early stages of multiplayer. This has only been out for maybe like a month. And every week it's getting cooler and cooler. But we do need a 4th, so come check it out. Check out the cool characters. We got masks. Now we got 2. I'm gonna go ahead and leave this gameplay as well. Liam's got some cool stuff. Love the visuals of this hype. How to cook. Cooking is fundamental. PT Jones in the house. What's up? Welcome. Checking out some multiplayer games. Was doing some of Sni Viper's cheesy challenges, which he will be hosting. I'm not sure if he said weekly or just bi-weekly, but more cheesy challenges explaining both the insides of the mechanics that cause the cheese to happen, and yeah, getting those high scores. You want to know how Sni Viper gets to the top of the leaderboard? Check out his cheesy challenges in the feedback. Was it? No, what was it? It was in the Discord. Not on the Hype Hype Discord. Be sure to go there. I need to go here more often. I'm here a lot. Ooh. We need a custom finish and try again screen. There is something kind of like that. All hypes now have a game end container. So the trick would be to use the broadcaster for game finish or game success. And actually, let me message hypes. How? Or fail. We need a custom finish and try again screen maker. I feel like my response is not actually addressing that, so I'm just gonna go ahead and delete it. But in all hypes, they have a container with game end, game finish using broadcast listeners. Delete. Let's see what we got. So there's show your hype, which I think is a good one. And let's check out Game Boy. Just got done with my Roblox models. Right now you can use it to, let's see what it's got. Getting close to, oh, PT Jones getting close to his multiplayer game release date. Yeah, dude, let's test it. Let's for sure test it. I am down to help. PT Jones makes cool hypes. Be sure to check him out. And Hype Hype. There is the Hype Fun Fair. This is, it looks like the last published hype. The Wild Kitty though, I do think this is great. Yeah, so if you get the game going, I am still kind of figuring out how to find multiplayer games, because sometimes it's there, sometimes it's not, so it's a little weird. I wish there was a way you could like click on the person, but like I can see that you're active. I just create a portal. What is this? Oh, it's just Hype Hype or Discord. Okay, it's up. Let's check it. Let's see what's up. Oh, snap. Also, let me know, like, I am back in the US for 3 weeks. I'm trying to figure out, I want to do live streams once a week. Might continue to do Friday. YouTube said that like an hour ago was a good time to do live streams. So, oh, interesting. Oh, it's bugged. Yeah. That's cool though. We can see what PT Jones is working on, and it's super intricate. There's a lot going on. I would say it's a little confusing with the arrows on a blue platform going into the blue water, but again, like you said, it's a whip. Do people say whip? Because that makes me think of a song, and I don't want to say that. Each player is supposed to get their own cam. Yeah, no, this is why we play test. I do have a fave of where is it? I don't know if this is my favorite. See if anybody joins. I can also restart. So I'm not sure how to restart. There's this game and another space one where you have to collect all the tiles. I think it's really good. Yeah, so that's kind of weird. Like if there's no one in this. I don't want to just go ahead and kill this person as they haven't even fired a weapon yet. And now they know how to fire a weapon, therefore I can shoot them. I'm trying to get shot here. Shoot me. It'll reset the game. Okay, now we have one. Each player. Yeah, I remember PT Jones. We were playing that. What's it? It was last week. Sometimes I keep track of time by. Sometimes these don't go down all the way, and that did. Nope, I got one hit. I maybe took him out too fast. I realize people don't like it when they die. I'm gonna give this guy an opportunity to take me out. Fire. There's this game and another game, and then there's the Fall Boys. I let that dude win. Okay. Alright, get out of this one. This one's a classic. It reminds me of there's this app game that came out. It was like Jump. I think what the dude was supposed to. Yo. I feel like my score should be higher. I don't think I've ever done that before, so that was nice. I got to do that live. And by never done that before, I mean hit the middle. So where is the other? I think, yeah, let's go to the Discord. And I'm gonna turn this volume down because it's kind of. So check that one out. That's cool. Making Games Live put out this lucky coin flip. I tried it. I thought I was doing it wrong, but let's check it out. Can't seem to find him. Yeah, and know that icon anywhere, and here we go.
Spin, spin, spin as much as ya can in 10 seconds, stopping at the end of the 10 seconds and see whether ya land heads, tails.
Yeah, how does it spin? Is it like... Oh!
Spin, spin, spin as much as ya can in... Spin, spin, spin as much as ya can in 10...
I think I'm missing something there. Got multi-leader board by Soul Spark. Got King 38. Has a cool one. I think he goes by Infinity now. Right. There we go. Tap the button to see how many words you can get. Oh, it's just a random, kind of like a random number generator. Style in this hype seems to just be collision. Got some high number to low number. I'm curious on how... Whoop! Where did it go? Gotta be careful when... These are numbers. So this is the number. Oops. Turn the logic on. Yeah, I forgot to turn the logic on. That's not huge. Come on, zoom in. Tilt. So this is the camera. These are transforms. These are just being scaled. Okay. Cool, cool. Let's see what else we got. Hypecraft Dungeon Update 3 is now out. Hypecraft Dungeon. Hypecraft. I like that. That's a cool name. Hypecraft. There's hypes, right? Alright, let's... I am going to click here. What's up, Sam? Why is what so small? Ooh, Hype Lands. Okay, so let's check it out. That looked really cool. I'm excited now. Is it lands with the S? Hype Lands. Go here, select this, and here we go. Version 1.4. Okay. That's cool. Like the game. That way you can show me your support. Let's like it. Ah! That back button gets me a lot of the times. Whoa, what? Look at that down there. That's cool. Got this dude over here. This guy looks really cool as well. This guy's got a cape. The llama. Update 3. Look at this world. We got some steps. We got bushes. Very nicely done. looks like a training center. Kind of reminds me, there's this movie called American Ninja that came out in the 90s. It's got, I mean, I think they had a couple of them. They were good movies. The movies were different back in the day. But basically there was like a training center for the ninjas, and then that's where they would train. Hi there, little guy. This place is still under construction. Oh, that's cool. It's like a monster dude. Oh, look at this. This is a cool little... Oh, almost. No. Let's see if we can't get over there. Like, this is also very well done in terms of where the trees are placed. Notice the physics on the trees. This is cool. Very cool. And I think this is one of my favorite emojis. Always like to like the likes. Very nicely done. Let's see what else we got here. King 38's got a game. I made some quick changes. Could you kindly see if it works? Thanks once again. Please let me know your pros and cons. You got it, PT Jones. Always happy to help. It's cool when you can help by playing a game. Like, that's the world we live in, and I'm all about it. Like, let's go multiplayer. Yeah, you set it up and let me know. I think, and I'm also curious what ways you find multiplayer games as well, because sometimes I guess I just think I'm doing it wrong. But going into the multiplayer tab seems like the obvious way. Oh, man, having a bad beer day. Oh, there it is. But I'm trying to figure out if there's other ways. So we got Noah in the house. Oh, and I'm behind. So again, I would change this color to just not blue, because the blue makes it a little confusing, because it's blue on blue on blue. We go here, here, here. I think you just need to wait until it goes up. Oh, okay, maybe not. I think my banana dude's gonna go get a colada. Okay. Not that way. Yeah, I wonder how you know who is hosting. I do like the color changing effects. Oop. Broken TV, what's up? Unfortunately, as of today, there is not a way to export games, but they might do something like that in the future. Right now, it's just basically an app, and you can do everything in the app. But if you like and subscribe, and when and if HypeHype ever does allow export ability, I will definitely talk about it, because, and I'll also just give updates along the way, Oh snap, these things are moving fast. Okay, I'm gonna go. Oh, I just fell. Yeah, so when it comes to export, not available, but you can share a link. Like if you go here and you hit the share button, this will give you a URL and you can share that. And that link you can share, and anybody can play that on their phone or desktop browser. So while you cannot export to the App Store or Play Store, uh-oh, things are starting to fall. There are ways you can still get people to play your game. And the way I look at it is like, sweet, cool, thanks Broken TV. The way, you know, when I look at the App Store and the Play Store today, there's just a lot of games with a lot of ads, which of course, if you're making games, you need to have ads. Oh man, these things are running out of control. Oh, that's BT Jones. Okay, don't go where he went. Oh, I could have just walked on top of the thing. Oh, you... Uh-oh, I almost did that. Yeah, so I have heard people at HypeHype talk about like maybe possibilities of someday having the ability to export, but that stuff is down the line. And I was, you know, talking to a developer friend of mine in Toronto, and he was like, that's the thing everybody asks for, and I understand why, because that's how mobile games are done today. Today, you post games on the App Store or the Play Store, but I don't think that's how it's going to be in the future, because you've seen the App Store, you've seen the Play Store. It's like super saturated. The games that get to the top one are companies who have millions of dollars to promote their game. So how things are gonna look in the future, crap, we'll see, but it may be a possibility. So HypeHype is also, or was, Frogmines, and if you've seen their game, you can go check out their game Badlands Party, although it is on Apple Arcade. That was made with the HypeHype engine, which is pretty cool. And I think I need to take a jump here to just, because that's not that one. That game, Badlands Party, was made with the HypeHype engines. Although again, that's made by professionals, right? I am not a professional game developer, although I kind of do it every day. But oh crap. So if you want to see what they've done and see what game has been made with the HypeHype engine and released on the App Store, you can check out the Badlands Party. But again, that's by the creators of, I keep doing that, creators of this app, and is done by professionals. So it's totally possible that one day they allow the ability to export. I just don't like to say that that's going to be a thing, because, you know, we don't know. No, okay. Oh no, the orange is going to get it. I like this because it's a longer, this map, PT Jones, I think it's great because it's a longer kind of, journey?
The player has joined.
Let's go, let's beat this.
Black team wins.
Oh, and I think we were all on the black team. I'm gonna go ahead and get the orange lifesaver. These are called lifesavers, which I think is an interesting name. It should be like a life tube or something. Yeah. I'm sure if you. Yeah. There's always things you could do. You could add like what arrows, you know, just like an arrow hanging out in the sign or in the ground. Just like a sign. No, I was right behind you.
Orange team wins. A player has joined.
That's cool. That's so awesome. Yeah, so one suggestion would be to change the beginning before how do I say this? Where the arrows are, make that green, maybe like the grass. Wait, no, that's the wrong way. Let's see, what other things would be cool? You got cool sharks on the side.
Blue team wins. A player has joined.
Oh, I see what it does there. It waits to see how many people are in, and then it loads that start. Oh, and then these are cool. Oh, we got Kosaki. Kosaki? Oh no. Ah! It took me down. Oh, dang it, I thought I had it there. He just fell in, that's funny. Okay, so I think it was like one. Okay, yeah, it was over here. Thanks, PT Jones, for clearing the way, and I think this way.
A player has joined.
Going for it. No! It's like Foxcloud, and there he is. It's just, oh, he almost took me down.
A player has joined.
Yeah, I really like the different obstacles. Oh, we need to get a life vest. Move. There we go. custom crabs. Where? Oh.
Green team wins.
Yeah, I mean, you got an X that marks the treasure spot. I think, you know, when it's the first time, it's always difficult to understand. You know, you're always just trying to figure it out. But I definitely want to see your custom crabs. It's cool how you can be the... Oh. This is great. Jones in the lead. And he's gone somewhere. Okay, let's go, let's go. Yes!
Orange team wins.
I was trying to see if I could knock him back.
A player has joined.
Stop this banana. Okay, there we go. Oh, I tried to jump and go back, and it didn't work. I was just following the other dude. That didn't work.
Blue team wins. A player has joined.
Oh, last game? Yeah, I got a fedora now. What is... Oh, that's the banana stem. Crap, I don't remember which one. Slowly blinking away. Oh crap, those two got it. I'm not sure where he's going. X marks the spot, bruh. Oh! Oh, now, yeah! they look like they got little googly eyes. I did not know they blend in so well.
team wins. Player has joined.
It's cool how you can be the same team color as someone else. Oh crap. Multiplayer. So cool. Oh no! I'm not gonna lie, I am actually not a fan of these buttons because sometimes when I try to touch the buttons, my thumb will miss. So I like the touch half screen, I think it's my preferred. But I also wish that there was like if you play multiplayer or if you play any games on the mobile phone and you're trying to move a character or a ball. So this I think is called a D-pad, or it's like a directional pad. Oh, that's what the D stands for. So but if you play mobile games, they have it where they are able to tell where you first touch the screen, and then when you move it left or right, then it will move the character in that direction. I wish that there was something more fluid like that than just a simple D-pad. X you win. What's up with that? That's hilarious.
Black team wins. Player has joined.
Maybe if it was draggable. No, I mean it's so.
A player has left.
Like overall, this mechanic works great. But if I could create my own, when it comes to just movement and not using this pad, I think that there is more ways to do it, because the D-pad is limiting in that if you move your finger outside the circle radius, you can accidentally not put your thumb back in. It's just not the setup that standard mobile games have. And that's not only just for moving in the X and Z direction, but also, if you're just moving in the X direction, I just think there's something better than using this pad. And eventually I'm sure there'll be something developed, but ooh, can you go on this boat? Go up here. I like the tree hut, that's cool. And there's the shark up in there. Should we check out other multiplayer games? Yeah, this is coming along super dope. And I just fell. I'm I'm not sure where Kowalski is. Is he just trying not to win? Oh, nice. He did a jump around. Come on, man. Get on the X. Win the game. I just want to know if he knows how. Maybe I can push him towards it. There we go.
Black team wins.
There we go.
Player has joined.
Alright. Let's see what we got for other multiplayer games. Oh, wait, there is this one that I like. This one. Yeah, hey, PT Jones. Always down to help playtest the game. Any game, all games. And how we doing on the connection? Yeah, so the internet speed is good. This is another cool game. The trick is to be able to walk between the two and get 2 cubes at a time. And then also go for these because nobody goes for those. Yeah, give it a second. It's about to restart. Again, I think it could be the... Yeah, I wish there was a way that you could join. I wish there was a way you can see your friends list and if they're playing a game, like, or you know, something more developed where you can see games that your friends are playing, or something of that nature. But again, everything's still being built out, and like here, I can see that the game is not restarting. So because some games just don't seem to appear. Well, let's take a look. Let's see multiplayer, because I've noticed more people using the hashtag. But yeah, these are old multiplayer games. Got pro on. Yeah, so see here how it says that you're live, or you're, yeah, I guess it's live or active. It'd be cool to see if, you know, you could click on the profile, and let's say you were working on a hype and you were live streaming the hype. If I wanted to check it out, I could click on it. Or if you were in a multiplayer game, I could go check it out. But I bet you that, like, I'm sure they're working on it. That'd be a cool one to remix a multiplayer. Yeah, let's check that out. I have, and I think it's, oh look, and this also needs to be a little bit more. But again, everything is in beta, and that's okay. Let's find that golf one. This one. This one I think has mad potential just because there's so much, like, it doesn't just have to be mini golf. You can just create an almost Fall Guys type of environment here. Oh, what? I thought that was gonna make you move. Hold up, let me get some music up on the background. Yeah, so like if I were to remake this game, I would make all the objects super bouncy. And then it'd be almost like a bumper ball. Kowalski thinks he's gonna win, but that ain't true. Kawasaki. Just say it like a Japanese name. Oh, and he knows which one to go through as well. Get out of the way. Ah, PT Jones, you're in my way. Oh, come on. Aha, made it. Up the ramp. Oh crap, I'm gonna be the last one in again. No. Oh, well, that's not fair. I pushed you in. Stopping me. Yo, oh snap. Thanks, PT. Okay, get that chat out of the way. So I'm like on the thing. And that was way too much. Yeah, Yoke did a great job on this. Yeah, this chat setup I feel like could be a little bit better, but it's, you know, everything is getting there. And oh, so close. I really like that ramp though. It's kind of difficult, which makes it, you know, makes you appreciate when you get in there. Did PT Jones fall out that one? Oh, because the left goes to the right and the right goes to the left. Oh crap, PT Jones is already in the win. Made it. Yeah, this would be a good game for like what, almost like Fall Guys elimination. Did you? Yeah. Oh, and you know what? I just realized that the scoreboard is also get up. Made it. Is done with the UI, with the UI node. Get in there. There we go. How are you already at the end? That's insane. No, crap. Too much. Oh, I missed. Yeah, I think I've looked behind how Yoke made this game, and he did a really good job in organizing everything, at least. No. What? Oh, nice. Everybody gets in on this round. Okay, Snap Viper, but you know that if I don't like the cheese, I will update and fix it. Oh wait, what's going on? But yeah, do it. It's not that I don't like the cheese. It's that I look at it as an opportunity to fix the game. So, yeah, I see the cheese as a learning opportunity. Yeah, man. Oh, that was cool. Oh man. So the one thing, you know, I wonder if that's even possible, is to have the players bump other players because it's multiplayer, right? Like, if, oh crap, I totally missed. Like, if you want to bump another player, It has to update both on your screen and on their screen. Oh crap. Kasaki knocked me off. Get out of the way. Although I got a score of 21, that's not that great. Yeah, cool. Wednesday, I'll keep a lookout for it. I'll let if it's one of my hypes, I'll let the hype stick with the cheese for a week before I fix it. Assuming I can fix it, which who knows. Or at least maybe till the end of the month, something like that. Yeah, that is one of the things I think is really cool about Hype is getting feedback from other players. How did Kasaki do that? No! I was trying to knock you out. Oh, this is bad. Wait for it now. Crap, these are all... Oh, I didn't even mean to do that one. Looks like people are going for the dub. Oh, crap. PT Jones is already shooting at the hole. Crap. Alright, get out of the way. Oh, I didn't make it. Almost. What? How did that happen? Oh crap. Apparently people don't say lulls anymore. No. Oh, that's cool with different colors now. Almost. Oh. What? That's cool. Made it. Something like this. Oh crap. That was bad. More cool stuff is for sure on the way. Okay, get aim. Yeah, like this game, I think it's a really good template. I'll definitely mess with this on the weekend. Oh yeah. Just need some sound effects. Oh, what? Go PT, you're in the way. Okay, I'm gonna go bounce off the wall like a this. Made it with the 7. Trying to see if there's another. No, I'm thinking pinball type. I am a pinball aficionado. When I was living in New York City, I used to be a part of a pinball league, which is basically like a bowling league, but you play pinball and then you do a lot of drinking. It's hipster chic. And yeah, but the thing with New York City is the pinball machines are all kind of crap. So you have to like beat them up when you play. You have to shake the machine. Whereas in San Francisco, all the pinball machines are just well, at least they used to be like pre-COVID. Used to be top quality and very sensitive to tilt. We got 4 players now. Oh crap. Oh, just got smashed. No, get knocked everywhere. Get up, made it. Oh, Elvira, I know that machine. Well, technically I know like 90% of all the pinball machines, because again, I used to play it all the time. And the pinball machines are great because technically they all have like a story or a game play, game mechanic, something you're supposed to, like the goal you accomplish. And these things release a multi-ball or kind of like power-ups, stuff like that. Oh, and what is going on? It's like almost didn't fall in. other. I'm like once or twice, but basically there are like literally even professionals, and then they have their names all over everywhere. So like in New York City, there's dozen places that have pinball machines, and if you go to basically all of them, they have like the same three people. So like the people who are like really good, and again, these dudes are, I mean, they've been playing like decades longer than me. Yeah, my captain, she was even dating one of like the top pinball players in the world or whatever, and he was basically getting high scores on two separate machines, playing them at the same time. So like the people who are really good are like ridiculously good. I'm basically just better than your average person, because I understand that it's a game with rules and things you have to, like, your goals to accomplish. So yeah, let's check out other multiplayer game. Maybe I wonder if I can message. Space Rush. Cool. Apparently in Fall Guys, there's like a tactic where you jump. What happened? Cool, PT Jones. Thanks for hanging out. Always fun to play your games. And I think I'm gonna get some of these peeps how to play Space Rush. Got the whole map. Yeah, I'm gonna play like one or two more games, maybe such a round. Yeah, it's just so cool to watch this multiplayer being developed over time. Yeah, this game does have some And I want to type, but I'm gonna, okay. Don't die. Oh, dude, the dude in the middle.
A player has joined. A player
Alright.
has joined.
Crap, I keep saying it's gonna be my last one.
Let's go.
I got the middle.
A player has joined. Let's go. A player has left.
No.
A player has joined.
Alright, last one for me.
Let's go.
No. What happened? What are you doing, iPad? Okay. Be cool.
Player has joined.
Okay. Alright, my iPad's just freaking out. Alright, I'm gonna call it quits. I think there's something going on with the connection. But this has
Let's go.
been Hype Hype, and hopefully my iPad. Yeah, what? Okay. Come on. That bug, yeah. Okay. Again, in early access. Check it out.
A player has left.
And yeah, can't wait to see what everyone is making for the July Game Jam. I'm gonna have to work on something this weekend because I've just been busy. I don't know what I've been up to. But until next time, I'm Hype C. Stay safe out there and peace.